Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today in this video, let's learn about how to get enrolled in HSBC Bank UK online banking. So let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for HSBC UK Bank. Click on this first website over here. Now we can see this option called register over here. So let's tap on this. Now click on register now over here. Click on continue. Now we need to enter all of our details to verify our identity. Let's go for sort code and account number and click on continue. Enter your sort code here, enter your account number, date of birth, and enter your first, fourth, and sixth digit of your telephone security number. After all of this is done, simply click on continue, after which verification of your details will be done and you'll get into next step, that is creation of username and password. After which we'll get enrolled in HSBC UK Bank online banking interface. So that is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe.